Geofencing is probably one of the coolest tactics that we offer right now. It really gives you a chance to conquest your competitors. It could be a car dealership, or it could be something as simple as a pizza joint. So we can build a geofence in a dealership, for example, where you're a Ford dealer, say, and there's a Chevy store right next to you, and on the other side there's a Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram store. We could draw a virtual fence or a virtual boundary around those other two stores that are your competitors. When someone walks into their showroom or into their service bays, we're capturing their profile and serving them your ad while they're in the other your competitor's showroom, which is really cool. Very powerful. We can even do foot traffic attribution. We can put a boundary around our own store, and anyone that we serve an ad to, if they're carrying their cell phone when they walk into your dealership, we can track that. And that's what's cool about geofencing.